trooper is in their dealings with envelope.
Let's get ready to rumble.
We're out of the championship hunt. We certainly want to finish as high as we can. You know, there's pride in finishing in the top 10, or even if you can make it up to the top 5. So, you know, we're fighting as hard as we can to get as many points as we can and put together some good finishes.
You know, I was interviewing Matt Kenseth, and Carl Edwards walked up, and he and Matt started to talk, and there were some hands on top of each other. And, you know, I didn't know if they were joking, but after a while, it looked like they were pretty argumentative.
All right, now let's remember back to Kansas when the Busch Series race was going on, and Matt and Carl Edwards got into each other. It caused Carl to cut a tire down and go out of the race, and afterwards he gave Matt Kenseth the sarcastic round of applause.
This is where the movie started. It's playing out here in Martinsville, and I really think Jack Roush is going to have to set those two down.
That has to be addressed. There's no question that has to be addressed, not just by Roush. It could be addressed by NASCAR.
And it occurred about 15 minutes after the race concluded here at Martinsville. They said some not so nice things back and forth to each other, apparently about something that happened on track. Really all we can say is not all too well in the Roush Fenway camp right now.
I think Joe is hurt. Angie Dundee, Ali's trainer, right next to me, is saying it. You may hear him. Down goes Frazier! Down goes Frazier! Down goes Frazier!